Hello, my name is Leo. Today we're going to talk about linear function and straight line equations. Linear function is polynomial function of 0 degree. It is marked with f of x or any other letter of alphabet, but here is f indicating function. And it is m times x plus c, where m and c are coefficients. M is called straight line slope or gradient, and c is called y-intercept. On this picture is example f of x is 2x plus 1. Straight line equation is equation which determines some straight line. And here is similar equation, but here is y instead of f of x. And y is indicating y-coordinate of any point given on the straight line when we have its x-coordinate. How to construct a straight line? If we have linear function or straight line equation, then first we have to take two x coordinates of 2 points whose y coordinates we'll calculate now. But we can also take more than 2. So here we've taken 5 x coordinates and for each of them calculated y coordinates. So 5 points through which we construct graph of so that straight line. For example, if we take x equal to 1, then y is equal to 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. There are two special cases. First, when y is equal to x, then it is bisector of the first and the third quadrant. And the second case, y is equal to minus x, which is bisector of the second and fourth quadrant in coordinate plane. Straight line gradient or slope marked with m is, we can define it as steepness of the graph hill. It is, as we can see in the picture, tangents of this angle alpha, and it is also proportion of difference in y and difference in x coordinates of two arbitrarily chosen points at this straight line. And we have here this example. There are three cases of m, so slope of the straight line. First, m is equal to 0, then the graph is parallel to x-axis. This is first example where s of x is equal to 3, so m is equal to 0. Now we have m is greater than 0, then graph is increasing, so going up, from left to right going up. The second example, and m is smaller than 0 when graph is decreasing. Y-intercept of a straight line marked with C is intercept given as y-coordinate of the intersection point where straight line intersects y-axis. And here we have some example of f of x where C is equal to 4, so its y-intercept is 4. How to construct graph using slope and y-intercept? First we have to mark C on y-axis as point P. Now express m, slope of the straight line in fraction form, b divided by m. If we have a right angle triangle, here is b divided by m, which is b divided by a, which is m. Now translate this point b for up or down. If b is positive, then up, and if b is negative, then down to get some point a. Now translate that point a for that a segment, for that a distance right, if a is greater than 0, and left is a is smaller than 0 to get point b. And finally now construct straight line through the points b and b. Here we have example where c is equal to 1.5, and all of these steps we can see here. Here are some of the basic expression forms for straight line equations. First is slope-intercept form, which is the basic form we've already seen. General form is also the basic one, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, when this condition must be fulfilled. Intercept, where we have slope m and y-intercept c, which both have to be real numbers different from 0. Vector form is when we have some vector ay plus bj, and with help of it we construct that vector expression for straight line. Similar to vector form is parametric form, when we have some point with coordinates x1 and y1, and also we have some vector ay plus bj to express this straight line. And also here is the last one, formula of straight line through two given points. So if we have two given points, for example points A and B, with their coordinates given here, we can calculate a straight line expression. Now you've learned about linear function and straight line equations. Thanks for watching and stay with us.